Stencil Ease is a US-based company which can produce custom stencils of all different types quickly and accurately. Our team of custom designers have a broad range of expertise and are ready to address any stenciling job. We listen to your requirements, design the stencils, and send the designs to you for review to ensure that they are perfect the first time, every time. Stencilease has specialized laser cutting equipment for both large, very small, and ultra-fast cutting capability. We can cut stencils as large as 6 feet by 10 feet in a single piece. We carry a large selection of stencil materials including multiple grades of Mylar, LLDPE, adhesive back materials, polystyrene for baking needs, magnetic stencil material, traditional oil board for a more environmentally friendly option, and carry and can cut other specialty materials for all types of stenciling uses. We also have high-speed laser cutting capability, which allows us to make specialized shapes out of all types of papers and films at costs better than die cutting. Stencil applications where we have developed expertise include large format stencils such as sport courts, football fields, building stencils, etc., playgrounds for active play and learning, culinary stencils for baking and decorating, all sorts of industrial stencils for facilities and for product finishing, outdoor advertising, fun merchandising, chapstick stencils, and tattoo stencils, and also guerrilla marketing, for example. Stencilease is your one-stop solution for all your stenciling needs.